things internet for close to a decade as a digital marketer and software developer. This is 3 secrets I have used to build both my business and most of my client customer business. Okay, it is as simple as what? Leads, building leads, content, and marketing. Okay, yes, it's a quick one. It's just a short tips. But if you can put these tips into practice, that is building leads, coming up with high quality content, and marketing, which is distributorship, you will thank me later. Okay? So when you go across the internet, such as, let's go to Google. Of course, Google still remains the #1 portal across the world. Okay? So whatever you search here, like let's say how to build a business from scratch. How to build a business from scratch. Yes, Google will give you Google AI overview. Okay? But when you go down, after the overview, even right inside the overview, some of the mentions, they were mentioned because they have authority in this area. Then after the Google overview, you can see the first site, the second one, okay, those on first page. They are here because of what? High quality content. Okay? Now, one thing is about getting this traffic to your site. Another thing is about what? Collecting leads. Are you getting it? You must build leads. If you want to excel across the digital community, if you want your business to succeed online, you must build leads. It's very, very important. Okay? So, while you are publishing high quality content, you should also focus on what? Marketing. Market them effectively across all digital ecosystem, Facebook, TikTok, etc. Okay? So with short, because today is about short video, short content with call to action. Should you want to excel in online business, you must generate leads. Build those leads correctly. Improve the quality and engagement of your content and carry on effective marketing distribution. So that is it. So these 3 secrets is powerful if you can put them into practice. And guess what? Repeat this step daily, weekly, and monthly, and remain consistent. That is a sure way to achieve success online. I remain my humble self, Mbonu Watson, and if you visit my platform, one of our platform, africachoice.com, over here we have leads, depending on the country leads you need. When you get to africachoice.com, if you're coming on mobile, just check on the menu, then go to this documentary, go to email leads. We have global leads. We have leads for all Africa countries. We have leads for European countries. We have lead for American countries, we have lead for Asian countries, etc. Okay? So these are high quality leads, heavy, huge enough to get you started targeting any niche, any category of people from any country of your choice, as well going global. So build leads, focus on what? Publishing high quality content, whether you're using a web platform or using social media properties, focus on high quality content, okay? Then more importantly, distribute your content so that your content will reach a wide audience depending on your niche. Why you are what? Collecting their email leads. You don't own Facebook, you don't own Twitter, you don't own any of those stuff. But if you build a high quality leads, email leads, these are one of the audience you have. I remember humble self, Mbonu Watson, from all of us at NLSoft, owners and publishers. officials of africachoice.com. Thank you and see you on my next video.